Good day everyone. This presentation is about Nailsotic by Betsy, a nail and foot care service business. This proposal aims to introduce our services, target market, and business strategy. My name is Juan Pedro Samson, a nail technician and the owner of Nailsotic by Betsy. This business is located in Antipolo City. Our goal is to provide quality nail care services that are affordable and accessible to our clients. In today's fast-paced lifestyle, many young women, students, and working individuals struggle to find time for self-care. Nail care is often seen as a luxury rather than a necessity. Even though it plays a big role in hygiene, confidence, and overall appearance. At the same time, some nail salons are either too expensive, inconsistent in quality, or not easily accessible. In today's fast-paced lifestyle, many people, especially young women, students, and workers, find it hard to prioritize self-care. Nail care is often seen as a luxury, even though it is important for hygiene, confidence, and overall appearance. To solve this problem, Nailsotic by Betsy offers affordable, high-quality, and convenient nail care services. We provide manicures, pedicures, nail art, and nail treatments based on our clients' preferences. We aim to give a relaxing, safe, and satisfying experience. To solve this problem, Nailsotic by Betsy offers affordable, high-quality, and convenient nail care services. We provide manicures, pedicures, nail art, and nail treatments based on our clients' preferences. We aim to give a relaxing, safe. Our primary target market is young women aged 16 to 30, including students and young professionals. Our secondary market includes working professionals, clients with special occasions, men, and members of LGBTQIA+ community. Our primary target is young women aged 16 to 30 because they are the group most interested in nail care and beauty services. At this age, many young women are active on social media, follow beauty trends, and expressing their personality through their appearance, including nail design. Competitive advantage. What makes you unique? Affordable yet quality services, student-friendly pricing, trend and customizable nail design, personalized customer experience, focus on hygiene and comfort, potential home service or flexible appointments. What makes Nailsotic by Betsy unique is our affordable pricing combined with quality service. We offer trendy and customizable nail design, personalized customer experience, and we focus on hygiene and comfort. Marketing and sales strategy to reach our target market. We will promote through social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Post before and after nail designs, client testimonials, and promos. Offer discount for student and first-time customers. Use word of mouth and referrals. Collaborate with influencers or content creators. Our goal is to attract attention, build trust. To promote our business, we will use social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We will post nail design, customer reviews, and promos. We will also offer discounts, encourage referrals, and collaborate with influencers. Our startup cost is estimated at 10,000 to 15,000 pesos, which will be used for tools, equipments, and materials. We plan to generate revenue through service fees and add-ons like nail art and gel polish. We invite you to support Nailsotic by Betsy as a customer partner on Event Store. Experience nail care that is affordable, stylish, and accessible. Book your appointment today